What's up guys, you are watching the Sid Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today I'm just going to tell you about the PlayStation 4, how to fix input lag on your PlayStation 4. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. So here we go to the screen. Here we are the screen. Just go to the settings, and here we are go to the, firstly we just go to the network. You must check the network. Your network is working good or not. If the network is working good, then you go to the second option. Here you have the press the option button. Here you set the automatic, and I'm just going to suggest you you can use a LAN cable then the Wi-Fi. It will be good. And after network, if your DNS and network is working good, then go to the other setting devices. Here you have the controllers. Go to the controllers. Here we are. Go to the controllers. Here, and communication method, you must go for the communication method, and here is the use Bluetooth and use USB cable. You must use a use USB cable then the Bluetooth. It will be good and not going to input lag or something else. So that's how you can just fix the input lag on your PlayStation 5. And I hope so you found my video helpful for you. If you need any other help, you must watch my other videos, and see you soon for the next one.